Now, neuron. Neuron is the basic structural and function unit of the nervous system. Just like we say that cell is the basic structure and function unit of all living organisms, similarly, neuron is the basic structure and function unit of the nervous system because all the parts of the nervous system, that is brain, spine and cord, nerves, all these parts, they are composed of neurons, and neurons, they are also called nerve cells. So just like the cells in the body of the living organisms, neuron is the basic structural and function unit of the nervous system, and they are also called nerve cells. Now, what's their function? These are the cells that are specialized to conduct messages in the form of nerve impulses among various body parts. Because just now I have told you that the brain and spinal cord, they are main coordinators in our body, and the function of the coordinator is to coordinate, is to link, is to associate different body parts. So the brain, spinal cord, nerves, all these, they are made up, they are composed of neurons, and the function of the neurons is that they conduct messages in the form of nerve impulses among various body parts, because just to coordinate different functions, different actions of our body, and that is in the form of messages conduction, and they are called nerve impulses. Nerve impulse is a wave of electrochemical chain that travels through the neurons, and through this wave, which is called nerve impulse, then messages, they are conducted to different parts of the body. Now the nervous system, it is composed of billions of neurons of different sizes and shapes, because they are present in all parts of our nervous system, that is brain, spinal cord, nerves. And what's their number? Their number is about billions of neurons of different sizes and shapes. Now, first of all, we will study the structure of a typical neuron. That what is the structure of a neuron? Keep in mind that neuron, neurology, they are linked, the terms which are linked with one another. You know that in hospitals there are neurology block, neuro specialist, neurosurgeon. So what's meaning of neuro? The word neuro is used for neuron. And what is neuron? It is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. So in hospitals you see that there are blocks, and the neuro term is used for neuron. Now this is the structure of a typical neuron. This is the shape of a typical neuron. Why we say the typical? Because on the basis of the function, the neurons, they may be classified into three groups on the basis of the function, and they are also different from one another in their shape. Little bit differences they are present, but mainly this is the structure of a typical neuron. These are the main parts of a neuron: cell body, dendrites and axon. Now what is cell body? This part of the body, neuron, is called cell body, and then this long thread like structure, that one is called axon, and one or more short processes which arises from the cell body, these are called dendrites. So that is the structure of a typical neuron. There are three main parts of a neuron: cell body, a long thread like structure which is called axon, and short processes called dendrites which arises from the axon. Now we will study the structure of neuron in little bit detail. First, the cell body. Cell body consists of cell membrane encircling cytoplasm, nucleus and all the other organelles like Golgi complex, mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum. All these are organelles, and you have studied them in much detail, that they are present in the cell cytoplasm. So cell body, why this part of the axon is called cell body? Because it consists of cell membrane. So on the outer side cell membrane is present, and then inside cytoplasm is present, in which nucleus is present, and this is the nucleus. This is the nucleus which is present in the cytoplasm, and all the other organelles which are present in our cytoplasm, they are also present here. which are Golgi complex, mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. Because you know, and you have studied the structure of animal and plant cell in detail, that in animal cell, the outer part is the cell membrane, and then inside the cell membrane cytoplasm is present. In the cytoplasm, in the central main part is the nucleus, and besides the nucleus all the other organelles which are present in the cytoplasm, they are mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes. So all these organelles, they are also present in this cytoplasm. So this part is called cell body. So this part is called cell body, which consists of cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus, and then within the cytoplasm all the organelles, they are present. Now the second part, one or more short processes called dendrites, which arises from the cell body. As you can see here, these are the short processes. They are called dendrites, and where they are arising, you can see here that they are arising from the cell body. They are arising from the cell body, and what's their function is to bring the impulses towards the cell body. Now what is impulse? Impulse is called nerve impulse. And what is nerve impulse? It is a wave of electrochemical chain that travels through neurons. So that's the function of the dendrites, which are present, which arises from the cell body, that they bring impulses towards the cell body. And what are impulses? Impulses are the nerve impulse, which is a wave of electrochemical chain that travels through the neurons, and then through this nerve impulse, messages they are conducted.